Everybody, my name is Tram Anh. I'm 9 years old. I am here at Tram A Primary School.
Hello everyone, my name is Như. I'm 9 years old. I'm in class 3.3 of London A Primary School.
My representative is my mom. Her name is Thủy. Her phone number is 932295489.
Hello Như. Hello Tram Anh. How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people. I live with my parents, brothers, and me. How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. They are my parents, my 2 sisters, and me. What's your dad's name?
His name is Ming.
How old is he?
He is 45 years old. What is sister name?
One of my sister is Linh and one of my sister is Ngọc.
How old is yours, mommy?
She is 46 years old. Who do you love most and why?
I love my mom because she loves me, and every morning she cooks breakfast for us. Who do you love most and why?
I love my mommy most because she always takes care of other members.
Thank you for listening. Goodbye.